If you paid an agency to build or customize your Shopify store, ask yourself this: do you actually own the code they built for you? Most merchants assume yes. A lot of people find out the answer is no when they try to switch agencies, hire in-house, or ask for a copy of their theme files. I am Evan from TheShopNinjas. In the next few minutes, I will show you what code ownership really means on Shopify, the red flags to watch for, and how to check what you own right now. Owning your Shopify code has three pieces: the theme code that renders your storefront, any custom app code built for you, which lives in its own repo, and the integrations your agency wrote to connect Shopify to other tools. Ownership means direct access to all of it: theme files, the GitHub repo, deploy credentials, and enough documentation to hand it to another team without a fight. Not accessible through the agency. Access that lives with you. If they walked away tomorrow, could you keep running your store? That is the test. If this is useful, hit like. It helps more merchants find this before they sign the wrong contract. So how do you tell? 4 red flags. First, the agency will not give you the GitHub repository URL or refuse to add you as an owner. Second, custom app code lives on their server and you have never seen a repo. Third, you have never received deployment credentials or documentation, only screenshots and finished results. Fourth, your contract has no explicit code ownership clause, or worse, says the agency retains rights. Any one of these means your ownership is on paper only. 2 or more, and you are effectively renting your own code. Here is what proper ownership looks like. You are the owner of the GitHub repo, or at a minimum, an admin who cannot be removed. All custom app code sits in a repo you control. You have the deployment credentials. There is a README in every repo that explains how the code runs, what services it touches, and where the secrets live. And your development contract states in writing that all code delivered belongs to you on completion. Not licensed, owned. That is the standard that the good agencies work towards. You can check most of this in under 10 minutes. Log into your Shopify admin, go to the online store, then themes, and confirm you can download the theme zip. Ask your agency for the GitHub repo URLs of your theme and any custom apps. Ask for the deploy credentials. If any of that gets a delay, a deflection, or a straight no, you have your answer. At TheShopNinjas, code ownership is the default. Every project ships with the repos in your name, full documentation, and a contract that says so in writing. If you want us to audit what you currently own or build your next Shopify project with real ownership from day one, the link is in the description. Quick question before you go. Have you ever asked your agency for your GitHub repo? What did they say? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for weekly Shopify breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.